Hi, I'm Paul Fazio, CEO of Sonny's The Car Wash Factory. We at Sonny's have all the products, services, and support needed to create the best car washes in the world. But we realized there was a gap. We didn't offer a turnkey solution. Customers still had to find, entitle, and build a wash on their own. Or they had to sign on with a franchise that had all the operational control and a large part of the financial reward. Out of this realization, Washscape was born as a car wash development solution to help you with every aspect of launching your car wash business, from concept to grand opening and beyond. With Washscape, you get the logistical and knowledge-based support of a franchise without the financial and operational limitations of being a franchisee. You have a car wash business that is yours to own, brand, and run the way you see fit. We just help you get there. There are no ongoing franchise fees, royalty fees, or restrictive franchise or control. You own your business, you operate it the way you want, you have total control. Washscape covers all the bases from finding the site to building the wash, as well as assisting you in creating your brand and then professionally tying your site together with the proper signage, including customizes your point of sale kiosks and wash packages to give you a seamless professional look. And Washscape will take away the mystery of choosing a wash package, as they will offer their expertise to pick the right package depending on your geographic area, length of tunnel, and expected wash volumes at your site. Washscape is truly a turnkey product that takes you through every aspect of building and operating a wash from start to finish and beyond, without the needless markups, ongoing franchise fees, or restrictive transfer and selling fees. Whether you're a first-time car wash owner looking for assistance or a seasoned veteran looking to accelerate your growth, Washscape is here to help. With Washscape, you get your dream, your wash, your business. Come on, let's get started.